Your C drive is full, your PC is slowing down, and you don't have to live with it. In this video, I'll show you how to quickly free up 50 to 100 GB of space safely, removing junk files, clearing old backups, and emptying clutter that has been slowing your system down. Follow these steps to safely free up plenty of space from your C drive without risking system files. Press Windows plus R to open the run dialog box. Type CMD and press Ctrl plus Shift plus Enter to open command prompt as administrator. The first step in cleaning our C drive is removing temporary files. Temporary files are like little leftovers from programs and Windows itself. They accumulate over time and take up a lot of space without actually doing anything useful. To delete them, we use two commands. The first one is del, which deletes files. Q means quiet mode. F forces the deletion of read-only files. And S goes into all subfolders to clean everything inside. The temp points to your user's temporary folder, where Windows and applications store temporary data. The second command cleans the system-wide temporary folder. Type del q f s drive c Windows temp. This is similar to the first, but targets temporary files stored by Windows itself, not just your user account. By running these commands, you free up space immediately, removing clutter that can slow your PC down and even help some programs run smoothly because they won't get stuck on leftover temporary files. Next, you are going to remove old system restore points. System restore points are snapshots of your PC at a certain time, and Windows uses them to restore your system if anything goes wrong. While they are useful, over time they can take up a lot of space on your C drive. First, let's see what restore points exist with this command. Type WinSxS admin list shadows. This lists all existing restore points on your C drive. You can see how many there are and how much space they are using. To delete a specific restore point, you will need to use the restore points shadow ID shown in the list. Let's use this command, WinSxS admin delete shadows shadow, and replace shadow ID with the ID of the restore point you want to remove. This way, you only delete unnecessary points and keep the ones that might be important for recovery. This is important because it frees up space on your C drive without removing all your safety nets. You get more storage while keeping critical restore points intact, which is the safest way to manage system snapshots. Next, we are going to clean up the WinSxS folder. This folder is where Windows stores old versions of your system files and updates. Over time, it can grow very large and take up a significant portion of your C drive. To clean it safely, we use this command. DISM is the deployment image servicing and management tool built into Windows. Online targets your current running system. Start component cleanup removes old, superseded system components that are no longer needed. And reset base makes this cleanup permanent by removing the ability to roll back to older versions of updates. This command is important because the WinSxS folder can quietly take up tens of gigabytes over time. By cleaning it, you reclaim a significant amount of space on your C drive without touching your personal files or installed programs. It is a deep, safe cleanup that keeps your system lean and efficient. Next, we are going to empty the recycle bin. Think of the recycle bin as a temporary holding area for deleted files. Even though you have deleted files, they will still sit here and take up space on your C drive until you remove them completely. This step is important because even a few gigabytes of deleted files can build up over time, slowing your PC down and taking precious storage. By clearing the recycle bin, you reclaim that space and keep your system tidy and efficient. And that's it. Your C drive is now cleaner, faster, and has plenty of extra space. These steps make a big difference without risking your system files.